Nowadays, checking your email template in dark mode is so important. In this video, I will show you how you can check your email template dark mode and check email spam score as well. First, we will check it on Getresponse. So log into our account. Click Email Marketing on the top left menu and then My Templates. Then click Edit so that the template will open and we can see the full view here. On top, we will click Test and Preview button and then click Preview from the drop-down. Here we can check different responsive view on different devices. But here is the most needed built-in feature we will get on Getresponse. Here we can see the dark mode view with just one click. If we see any issues on dark mode, then we can update our design based on it. We also can see the email personalization view on Getresponse. Exit the preview mode. We can also test our email spam score. Under Test and Preview, click Spam Check. Then you can see the spam check result, and it shows it's good to go. Now we will go to Mailchimp. Log in into your account, then on the left menu go to the Template section. Click Edit the template, and then you will see the full view of it. Now we will go to a website named mail-tester.com. So copy the email here. Then go back to Mailchimp and send a test mail to this email. Then check your score on Mail Tester. You got a score 8.5 out of 10. Based on Bello's suggestions, you can improve your score more. This method will work for any other email marketing tool. I will leave this link in the description. We can also test our email in dark mode. Go to checkdarkmode.com. Click Preview in dark mode and copy the email from here. Go back to Mailchimp and same way send a test mail again. It will take some time. As it's a free tool, sometimes it's not shown. Unfortunately, it's not working for me now. So to test all things properly, I prefer to use Getresponse. I will leave the link in the description. If you have any questions, let me know.